Popcorn's first time playing with another dog. He usually just lays on them.
Jax, no biting. Get him, Popcorn.
Get him, Popcorn!
Get him. He's going to show him dominance right now. Do not charge. Look how good he's being.
Look
He
at,
knows he can kill that fucking
look at
dog.
his tail.
Get him, Popcorn. Get him. Get him, Popcorn.
Pretzel, you getting in there? Popcorn, if you see his foot is blue, it's because he stepped in something here yesterday and we took him to the vet and he had a little surgery. And now here he is playing with the little guy. Get in the sun, boys. You're a good boy. You're a good boy.
What a good boy, Popcorn. Yes, I'm so proud of
Let him
you.
stop biting him.
I am so proud of you. You don't bite. Hello. Jax, do not bite his foot. Jax, no.
Marcy refuses to accept his name as Jack and has changed it to Jax, J-A-X. If she would read his collar, she truly would see that it's called Jack.
Can't see.
Say bye-bye.